Squid Game Season 3 is finally here, and it's emotional, brutal, and honestly unforgettable. From shocking dates to powerful ending, this show pushed everything to its limit. Today I'm breaking down 12 key points you need to know, from June's date to the final act, and what's next to the game.
Must I wander? Hunger my driver. I go where I must.
The pacing in season 3 is tighter than ever. We jump right into action. No files. Every episode looks like a countdown. The stakes are bigger and the twists come quicker. And quickly the final game arrives. You already emotionally exhausted in the best way. Jim's journey finally comes to a full circle. He isn't the broke man we meet season 1. He is stronger but more lost. Juno returns with new resolve. The frontman shows surprising vulnerability. And the baby, the art they gave her, wow, I will get to that soon. The games this time, not just physical, but psychological. More betrayal, more sacrifice, and that one game that broke me. It's not just survival now. It's became a emotional warfare. Squid Game never shies away from hard truths, and season 3 got deeper. Greed, power, the illusion of power, the illusion of choice. Each challenge, what we are willing to do to stay alive or to stay human. Every character brought their A game. June's quiet pain, heartbreaking. The frontman cold logic, chilling. Every minor players give powerful performance. No one wasted screen time. Visually, season 3 is stunning. From colors to camera work, everything feels cinematic and layered. The ending is bold. June's final moments don't scream, they whisper.
We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are.
It's not a victory, it's a goodbye. Sometimes it hurts more because of how quiet it is. But season 3 isn't perfect. Some fans called it political too. Some fans called pro-life tone this too forced. But I think the writer took some risks, some work, and some didn't. But overall, the story stays to its heart. Love it or hate it, Squid Game has changed the pop culture forever. It's not just a survival show, it's a mirror, and the final chapter proves why it will be remembered. June's death isn't just a death of a character, it's the death of innocence. He chose to fight, he chose to protect, but in the end, his death proves something, not just for the games, but for the viewers too. After June's death, everything unravels. The frontman hesitates for the first time. Juno uncovers the final truth, and the island is destroyed, but a message was sent, and the baby on her tears, her silence says more than just words. And then, when you think it's all over, Kate Blanchett appears, a recruiter, a symbol, a terrifying promise. The game isn't over, it just goes global. That's it. Season 3 was bold, unforgettable, and brutal. Let me know your favorite moments in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon to not miss those amazing contents. Until next time, stay safe and never trust the man in the mask.